Hello, friends. Just a reminder, we are still talking about the seasons and why we have different seasons throughout the year. But I want to start by asking you quick questions. Does anybody want to go ahead and give me some answers to what the four seasons are? What do you think are the four seasons that we experience in a year? Somebody want to go first? Okay, great. I hear summer. So summer is one of the four seasons that we experience in the year. Another one that anybody wants to take a guess on? We have the summer. Okay, we have fall. Good job. And other people may know fall as autumn as well. So we can go ahead and put fall and edit this fall/autumn because yes, there is people who call it fall and then there's people who call it autumn. Any other guesses for our four seasons? Yes, we have the spring, and last but not least, we have winter. Good job. So those are our four seasons. We have spring, fall, winter, and summer. Now, what activities do you do for some of these throughout these times? What are some activities that we do? Swim. Good job. When do you swim? During what time do you swim? When it's cold? When it's hot? So we swim in the summer. Good job. What else do you do? What do you do right now when it's cold? What kind of activities can you do? You can ice skate. Good job. And we are in the winter right now. So you can ice skate in the winter. What can you do during the spring? Can you also swim during the spring? What do you think? Yes. What else can we do in the fall? What can we do in the fall? In the fall is whenever it's changing from hot to cold. So it's not too cold and it's not too hot. So what can we do in the fall? We can still ride bikes in the fall. Good job. Now for the next question, what holidays? Holidays are festivities that we experience throughout the year. What holidays do we have throughout the year? Sometimes we don't come to school. Sometimes we celebrate them in school. So we're about to have one. What is the holiday we're about to have? Rob, I heard Christmas. Christmas, what? Thanksgiving. Good job. What else? Valentine's. Someone else? I have Christmas, Thanksgiving, Valentine's. 4th of July. Anything else? Another holiday? All right, let's go with those four. So when do we celebrate Christmas? Around what time? We're about to celebrate Christmas, but when do we celebrate Christmas? We celebrate Christmas in the winter. We are in the winter right now, so we celebrate Christmas in the winter. When do we celebrate Thanksgiving? Remember, Thanksgiving was not too cold this year, but not too hot. So what do you think that is when it's not too cold, but not too hot? That is in the fall. Good job. Now for Valentine's. When do we celebrate Valentine's? Can anybody take a guess? So we're still in school during Valentine's. In the spring, we celebrate Valentine's in the spring. Now, 4th of July, are we in school during the 4th of July? No, so that should give you a hint. When are we not in school? In the summer. Good job. Okay. So now I'm going to show you why we have these 4 seasons. Okay. So what happens is the way that our earth is set up, it causes us to have different seasons because the axis is tilted. So the axis is the center line of the earth. And now what happens is the earth rotates, and as it rotates, it orbits the sun. So this is the sun, and the earth is just going over the sun. Okay. So in December, like we said, it is winter, and it is summer in the south equator, which is in the bottom of the earth, and then the sun shines directly on the southern hemisphere and on the northern hemisphere. So this is why we experience winter, because where we live, it means the sun is not pointing towards where it's pointing on the opposite side where we are living currently now. Now in March, it is on the south of the equator. So remember, we have north at the top and then we have south at the bottom. In June, it is winter in the south of the equator. So when it is June, it is winter in the bottom of the equator. So in the bottom of Earth, it is when it is winter in June. In September, we can see these pictures, it is spring in the south of the equator. So in the bottom of the Earth, in September, it is spring. So you can take a look at that and study it and analyze it. And so those are the reasons why we experience, seasons, because as the earth rotates around the sun, the earth is also spinning around the sun. Okay, so take a look at that image, and then we will continue with the activity that we're going to go ahead and do next.